how to fix a VW Polo boot that is not opening properly. So at the bottom of the boot, behind, there's this plastic that needs to be removed. It's got these screws here. There's one screw there and one screw there. Okay, so once you take the cover off, it used to be covering here, right? There are clips, metal clips, that you need to remove. How you do that is by getting your hand behind each of the plastic layers and just slightly clipping them out. So the clips normally sit there, there's one there, one there, there. So those are all the clicks or clips that you need to take out. So inside the boot at the back here, when the boot is locked, which is this position here, if it's in that jam position, the only way that you can get it out is by releasing this click. Okay, so that can be also accessed from the back seat as well. So just have a look at that clip there, just to see that it's not jamming. You can spray some Q20 on that just to lubricate it. Then here you've got your electronic mechanisms, so just give that a check as well, and then we can give it a test afterwards to see if it's working or not. So what we did here is we just used some tool in the can, just to lubricate this joint here, as well as this small mechanism here. So once that's done, we can give it another test and see. Fault on my one seems to be this small switch here, which is not telling the boot or the car that the boot is now in an open state. So you'd most probably need to get a replacement for that. Once you replace that, then your boot should open as normal. The VW Polo boot fix after lubrication and resetting of the sensor switch, as mentioned previously, the boot is now opening. So all the best guys, and hope this helps you.